Hello all and welcome to Sociology Answer Writing series. As discussed in the last video about the structure of the sociology answer, today we will try to apply that structure while discussing a previous year question. We will be discussing a 2023 question here today. In case you have not seen the previous video about the structure, please go back and check that particular video. So moving forward, today we will be discussing a question which came in UPSC 2023, which says that analyze critically David Morgan's view on family practices. So now, as discussed in the last video, first we have to introduce the answer. So now, like I told you, introduction can either be in the form of definition or you can quote thinker's work, right? So these two options I have already given you here. Either you can start that David Morgan's work, important work, Rethinking Family Perspectives. So here the first way is that we write about the thinker and name of his work. So David Morgan's influential work, that is your Rethinking Family Practices, talk about this particular term which is given in your question. Or the other way is you can define it. You can give the definition of family practices, where David Morgan says that family practices are nothing but regular everyday activities and interaction through which individuals create and maintain the family life. Just the general practices which are happening, right? Talking on, dinner table, or, a mother singing probably a lullaby to his or her child, right? So like this, these are the family practices which David Morgan talks about. So either you tell in which work this particular concept appears, or you define what is family practices. The next is your body of your answer. Like I told you, there will be thesis, there will be antithesis. So in the thesis part, first you will discuss that what is this David Morgan's concept of family practices. In the concept of family practices, David Morgan stresses more on your family practices over your structures. Meaning that he says that we have to move beyond discussing the structure of family, like is it a nuclear family, is it a joint family, and focus on the day-to-day regular activity which turn it into an institution known as family, right? So he is moving from the structural approach to more micro approach of seeing that what are the day-to-day activities which are occurring in the family. So we are telling about that concept of family practices here. The next point in this concept is he focuses on routine and mundane activities, right? Rather than seeing the general functions of the family, like, okay, economic function, reproductive function, or emotional or psychological support, like G.P. Murdoch talks about a traditional view on family, he focuses on the everyday regular practices. Like gave you example, we were talking over dinner, we are interacting with the child, we are playing with the child. So he wants to focus on those regular mundane activities, right? Then, these activity, he says that these are central to the experience of a family. So that is why we need to study those. Then lastly, he acknowledges the fluidity and diversity in the family structure. That culture to culture probably, or family to family, these practices might differ. And it is in the domain of the sociologist to study these family practice, to know more about the dynamics of the family system rather than just focusing on the structure. So now we are done with the thesis part. In 3 points, we have explained what is the David Morgan's conception of family practices, right? Where he gives more importance to practice rather than the structure, which is more diverse, and it focuses more on the regular and mundane activities. So in 3 points, you can give the thesis part about his theory part. Next come the criticism of this theory, right? So now in criticism, antithesis part, there is a thinker by the name of Russell Neal. So now this thinker has also, talked about your same-sex marriages, right? Where, a name of chosen family has been given by this particular thinker. So this particular thinker says that when we are talking about your family practices, mostly it is reinforcing the concept of heteronormative family structure. Heteronormative means your general, that okay, there will be a woman, there will be a male, husband, wife will be there, and children will be there. So this is a heteronormative, very serial packet family, image of that. We are ignoring other types. There might be same-sex families, might be there, single parent families might be there. So that is one, one criticism which has been given to this concept. Then, like I told you in the previous video, your criticism or antithesis part can be criticism by another thinker, or you can yourself give a general criticism also. So make your criticism part a mixture of both things. So now there is another criticism that ignores the power dynamics, right? If it is a patriarchal structure, for example, and you are saying that there is a family practice of a woman feeding her child by her own hands, right? So now she says that although it is coming, this criticism says that although this is coming under the domain of family practices, but are we realizing that this is a patriarchal setup where women is only doing this caring, right? Women is only tucking her children into bed. Women is only, involved in your taking care of the children. So even practices, there is a power dynamics, right? Then you are not talking about your different problems which can be there in the family. By just going through the practices, the deeper level understanding of family can never be there, right? So these are certain criticism of the concept of family practices as given by David Morgan. So now our body of your answer is complete. Thesis has been done, points of the theory, antithesis is the criticism, and at the end is your conclusion. So now in conclusion, you have to give a synthesis, you have to give a middle path. You will say that David Morgan's focus on family practice provides a valuable framework for understanding the dynamic aspect of the family system. While there are challenges which you have already addressed in operationalizing the concept and integrating structural factor, still his approach offers a very nuanced approach of understanding a very important social institution in the society, that is family, right? So with this you end your answer. In between, if you want, you can make a flow chart probably. You can draw a diagram where you tell, okay, these are the feature of his particular theory. So that is your own wish, right? Other small points is write neatly, give proper subheadings in your answer, wherever possible write in points. So these type of points will help you score good marks in your sociology answer. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.